was and some place called Freddy's Burgers. That was the worst. The burger was like, the burger meat was like as thin as bacon.
Did they have the shoestring French fries? Shoestring French fries?
What is it?
Shoestring French fries.
I've never heard of that.
They're like really thin French fries. At Freddy's.
No, theirs was like really skinny and little.
Yeah, that's like the shoestring ones. They're like really thin, really thin. I think that's Freddy's.
That shit was trash.
That was I'm okay with Freddy's. I'll eat Freddy's, but In-N-Out, Five Guys, they are way overpriced. And I was when I left from there, I was pissed.
Yes, exactly.
I was pissed.
I said the same shit. I said that same shit because I was like, the price that I paid, I could have gone like Outback or something and got something a lot better.
Right, exactly, you know? Especially for that price.
But I mean, Five Guys wasn't nasty. It's just for the price that I paid, I could have got a hell of a lot better.
Right.
In-N-Out was just like, okay.
Oh, you can't. Whataburger, it's different. Like, I like their shakes. Like, their shakes is good. Their shakes are the ish. Their shakes
you want to hear a funny story about Whataburger? When I first moved to Texas, I had a friend of mine ask me, hey, you want some Whataburger? I was like, what the fuck is a Whataburger? He's like, Whataburger. I said, what? I don't want no water on a burger. What do you mean?
He said, I don't want no water on no burger.
He's like, no. Yeah, he was like, a Whataburger. You know, the way they say it sounds like you're saying water.
Yeah,
you know
but it's Whataburger.
So I was like, oh, yeah, I'll take one, whatever that shit is. Then he asked me if I wanted a soda water.
That's that Texas shit.
Because that's how they say it. I was like, what the fuck is a soda? What's with you motherfuckers in water?
My ex-husband's like that. He goes, you want a soda water? What the fuck is a soda water?
Yeah, exactly. He was country as hell. He cool motherfucker, but he was killing me with that water shit. Soda water, Whataburger.
You want a bite? There you go.
That motherfucker was killing me.
Yeah.
Let me get out the box, Clint.
Okay.
I'm going to let you have at it, do your thing.
All right.
I just wanted to speak face to face, you know.
That's cool.
Nice seeing you.
Cool beans. Enjoy your Philly steak.
Cool beans, pork, and rice.
Hey. He said he wants to bite what Claire eating and then bite me. You stupid. I don't know if Root Knowledge is still waiting, so we got a little line going here. Oh, I don't know. Is Root Knowledge still there? I don't think there he go. Oh, shit. I mean, oh.
What's going on?
Damn.
What's going on, baby? Claire.
Dang.
What's happening?
Dang.
What's going on? What's going on, Claire Bear?
I'm motherfucking speechless. I'm used to seeing you in your truck. So, that trucker life look, I'm used to that. You came in here looking all GQ and shit. Where you going? What little young thing you trying to go pick up? Look, he about to go pick up some little young thing.
I'm not.
He ain't slick.
Hey, hold on. I'm in my other leisure. You're used to seeing me in my work vehicle.
Oh, okay. I see you. I see you. Y'all see him? Shit. Okay, I see you, Daddy. I see you. Yeah, he gonna pick up some little young thing. And for all y'all that don't ever get to see the beach, I'm
riding across the Gulf right now.
Nice, nice.
So I'm in the cozy confines of the XJL, supercharged.
Nice.
And I'm headed over here to a housewarming party for one of my relatives.
Oh, that's nice. Dang.
Yeah, so you know,
like I was
I don't
silent.
go empty-handed, so I bought him a blender.
Oh, okay, okay. You can't go wrong with
It
that.
was either a blender or you can't go wrong with a blender. It's either a blender or an air fryer.
Should have went with the air fryer.
Yeah.
Because everybody wants to try that.
But anyway, I had a chance. Yeah, anyway, I had a chance to stop through because I saw you online. I just wanted to say hi, all right? Bye, baby.
Bye, sweetie. Damn, he's looking good. Look at Root Knowledge. Okay, Root, I see you, Root. Damn. It's always surprising. Like, I guess that's how people feel when they don't see me at work, too. Because I usually be always at work and doing my life from work when I had my night shift job. That's how I started going late. One, because I worked 3 to 11. And I would always go live after I got off of work. And which is what I do now. I go live after I get off of work. But I'm trying to transition over to going during the daytime. Just so like the type people can see me. So eventually I can apply for a badge and have a better chance and yada 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 yada. But I got these sandwiches. So I wanted to try the sandwich, and that was the whole thing, is to try these sandwiches. And share this whole moment with you guys, because I share a lot of my life with you guys, because we're like Chucky and this bitch. We're friends to the end. So, but the sandwiches were super